Hello my loves, Tamara here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it is dedicated for my girlies that have little to no time, like a good 20 to 25 minutes to spare to do their makeup. You don't have enough time to do the full-on glam, but you've got enough time to put something on your face and look presentable. And you know, you want to look good, but I will say, my base my base is on point. My base is on point. The makeup look is giving like I put my all into it when really I didn't. Okay, I didn't. No eyeshadow today, although it looks like I am, but you got to watch the video to see what I did to give this type of look. It was unintentional. Ciao. It's all good. I'm not wearing any lashes either, as you can see, but I mean, like, it still looks good. I mean, like, it's not every day you want glam glam, you know. Not every day, because I don't be wearing makeup every day. But this is the look for the days where, again, you have little to no time, or you just don't want to do a full glam, but you want to look presentable, right? I love these types of days because usually the makeup hits like it does. And today is one of those days, although I don't like my brows. But anywho, I will have everything that I used in the description box below. It'll be listed in links. Also, really quick, y'all check out my nails. I got them done on Monday. Today's Wednesday. Cat eye animal print. They're so bomb. I love my nail tech, but that's besides the point. Y'all want to see how I achieve this look? Then baby, keep on watching. Keep on watching, girl. Keep on watching. All right, you guys. So before we get started, just wanted to give you guys some basic information. When it comes to a simple look like this, I fear some of you guys want a full glam look in only 20 to 25 minutes. Now, I'm not going to say it's not impossible, but it's not realistic given the steps and layering and all the techniques that goes into creating a full glam, a full beat. So for me, I have been in plenty of predicaments where I've only had like 20 to 25 minutes to do my makeup, and I was able to do something where I looked presentable, not a full beat, but presentable. And this is the kind of look for days where you don't want to do too much. You just, want something to look good enough for the day. This is a question that has come up a lot in my makeup videos, especially in the updated makeup routine I dropped last year. A lot of, moms or just people that are pressed for time or just don't have the time, let me know that they don't have the time to do like a full glam. So I am going to show y'all, if I only had 20 to 25 minutes to do my face, this is what I would do. So I am going to be skipping out on a lot of steps because realistically, we don't have that time. Also, I truly believe y'all don't need me to tell you how to do your makeup. If you have such a short time, just do whatever it is that you want to do. Like if you want your face to look a certain way, do those things. So like I said, today we're going to be skipping out on some steps because yeah. But anyway, first things first for me, I'm not going anywhere without doing my eyebrows. Hello. I'm not going anywhere without doing my eyebrows. But before I even start, I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base. And it's cold here. It's winter time. My face needs all the moisture that it needs. So this is my primer. And you can actually skip out on primer. Skip out on primer. When you're doing your skincare routine, your moisturizer will be good enough. But for me, with my dry skin right now, during the season, I need to do my primer. So I'm putting this on first so that it has enough time to settle into the skin. Because now I'm going to do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not looking the way I want them to look, but in times like this, I can't stress. I hate my eyebrows, but we move. We move. Alrighty, next I'm gonna go in with my foundation, House Labs. This is my girl. I like full coverage. I do have hyperpigmentation. Girl, I can't speak. I do have hyperpigmentation and my face is a tad bit darker than my body. So, I mean, I have to do cover up. But if you want to go in with a skin tint, go ahead with your skin tint. Or if you want to do like concealer spot treating, which technically means like any little dark spots you have, you want to apply just a dot of concealer on top of that area, then you can use your ring finger and just blend that out. Or you can go in with a brush like this from Morphe. This is the M133 concealer brush. And once you apply the concealer in that spot, you can just go ahead and lightly dab this out. But for me, I'm going with foundation because baby, I need it. 2 pumps. And this is gonna go all over. Now, I will not be applying concealer on my eyelids because we don't have time. But I am going to take some of that foundation and put it on top of my eyelids and continue blending this out. And I don't know why, but it does feel like I got a rush. And the lighting today is just crazy because the sun is out. I'm happy for the sun being out, but it's just like, I prefer when it's a tad bit gloomy for my lighting purposes. I like my lighting to look a certain way. Like right now it's looking real bright. Okay, foundation is on. Now I'm gonna move on to concealer. Y'all know I like to use 2 concealers, but because we don't have time, I'm only gonna use one. I am gonna go with Chestnut. This will give me a subtle lift under my eyes. If you want to do like a full right under eye, go right ahead with that concealer. But I'm just gonna apply Chestnut, and I'm applying this everywhere as I would apply concealer. And then to quicken the dry down time, I have my fan here and I have my concealer brush. Turn on this fan. Having a fan on hand is so important, especially as a makeup girly. Now I'm gonna keep the fan on while I'm blending out. This is going to help with the dry down process. One eye at a time. Like, we don't need to add anything else. Blend. Now we're gonna set. So I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder today. Well, in the shade Honey. Is it called Honey? Translucent Honey. Not me forgetting the name, child. Now on days like this, I do want to go a tad bit lighter with my powder. I would definitely go in with my one size, but not today. I'm getting my puff ready as I speak, and just gonna rub that lightly. And even though I'm pressed for time, I'm gonna make sure that the concealer is blended out properly under my eyes. And we are not baking, we are only going to set. See, I'm not left-handed, but I'm just gonna go in with this brush because why not? Baby, we gotta save time. One thing about it, I do not like rushing, especially when it comes to my makeup. No, I know I look crazy. Uh-oh. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my powder. Same complexion. Now, I think I made a mistake. What I should have done was go in with my medium deep translucent powder from Laura Mercier on my eyelids rather than this shade here because it has your girl looking ghostly. Okay? And I don't like that. But anyway, we move because we don't have time to fix it. Okay. So I'm taking my powder and I'm applying it all over just to give it an even blend out. As you guys saw, I did not apply any cream blushes, bronzers, liquids apart from my foundation and concealer. Now for me, I'm gonna go and bronze, warm up the areas. And because I'm not happy with my eyelids, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer on my lids. This is just to give some type of illusion. But I'm applying the bronzer in my crease. If I did not apply honey on my eyelids, I would not apply this bronzer in the crease. If I went in with medium deep, I would be okay. But what's crazy is it looks like I have on eyeshadow when I don't. Okay, moving on, blush. This one I'm using today is from Sephora in the shade Charmed. If you don't want blush, skip blush. Anything I'm doing that you don't want to do, skip it because we're pressed for time, child. All right, me, I'm still going in with 2 setting sprays. Today we're using Morphe and Danessa Myricks. Get your fan ready because, girl, alrighty, so everything is set, okay? I'm almost done. I have 3 more things to do. Eyeliner, mascara, and my lips. So I'm skipping out on lashes and skipping out on wing liner because we don't have time. But I do like to apply some eyeliner to my waterline just to, you know, allow my eyes to pop. All right, that's on. And I'm going to use the Benefit Bad Gal mascara today. And we're coating both top and bottom lashes. And now let's quickly do the lips. And you know what I actually forgot? Putting eyeliner on my beauty spots. Okay, not to toot my own horn, but y'all, my base is eating. My base is eating. I did not do what I fully wanted to do, yet the makeup is on point. It's looking good. It's looking good. And I don't feel like I'm missing anything, although I am missing a few things, especially like my lashes. It's pretty obvious. And I got little to no lashes, like they're like little baby lashes. I probably need to get my hands on a serum or something to like get my natural lashes to grow, because I don't wear lashes all the time and I'm not an eyelash extension type of girl, because I want to be able to sleep, rub me eye, wash my face when me feel like, not being, not having to avoid all of that because I have lash extensions. Like, no. But yeah, y'all, this is the makeup look. This is the final results. My base is eating. It looks like I really sat down and put my foot in the bag. I put little to no effort in this. So, I mean, this is what it's giving. Therefore, y'all really need to tap into my updated makeup routine. This is the thumbnail. Gosh, I forgot the word, but this is the thumbnail. You need to go ahead and watch it, okay? Whew, girl, my techniques, everything is on point. But yeah, guys, this is the end results. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will have everything I used down in the description box below. It will be listed and linked. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Drop your comments below, hit that subscribe button, and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye, TikTok at Tamara.Renaye, and keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenaye.com. If you made it this far, I want y'all to drop. Child, I can't think of anything right now. I'm gonna just put the emojis right here on the screen. Whatever is here, drop that in the comment section below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.